Hello friends, I am Vaibhav and today's date is 16 November 2021. Today I have discussed data types in Java. Data type specifies different sizes and values that can be stored in the variable. There are mainly two types in Java. First one is primitive data types and second one is non-primitive data types. In primitive data types, the primitive data types includes boolean, character, bytes, short, integer, float, double, long, etc. And non-primitive data types includes classes, interfaces, and arrays. In Java, primitive data types are building blocks of data manipulation. These are the mostly basic types of in Java language. In primitive data types, there are 8 mainly data types. First one is Boolean data type, second byte data type, third character data type, fourth short data type, fifth integer data type, sixth long data type, seven float data type, and last one is Boolean data type. So first one is Boolean data type. The Boolean data type is used to store only two possible values, true or false. This data type is used to simple flags that tracks true false conditions. Second one is byte data types. The byte data type is an example of primitive data types. It is an 8-bit signed to complement integer. Its value range lies between -121 to 127. Its minimum value is -121 and maximum value is 127. Its default value is 0. The byte data types is used to save memory in large arrays where the memory uses saving most required. Third one is short data types. The short data types is a 16-bit signed to complement integers. Its value range lies between -32,768 to 32,767. Its minimum value is -32,768 and maximum value is 32,767 and its default value is 0. The short data types can also be used to save memory just like byte data types. Fourth one is integer data types. The integer data type is a 32-bit signed to complement integer. Its value range lies between -2 raised to 31 to 2 raised to 31 minus 1. Its minimum value is -2 raised to 31 and maximum value is 2 raised to 31 minus 1 and its default value is 0. The integer data types is generally used for default data types for internal values unless if there is no problem about memory. Next, long data types. The long data types is a 64-bit to complement integers. Its value range lies between -2 raised to 63 to 2 raised to 63 minus 1. Its minimum value is -2 raised to 63 and maximum value is 2 raised to 63 minus 1 and its default value is 0. The long data type is used when you need a range of values more than those provided the integer. Next one, float data types. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit and its value range is unlimited. Next one is double data types. The double data type is a double precision 64-bit and its value range is unlimited. The double data types is generally used for decimal values just like a float. The double data types is also should never be used for precise values such as currency. Its default value is 0.0. Next one is character data types. The character data types is a single 16-bit Unicode characters. The character data types is used to store characters. Thank you.